Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the selective laser sintering process. It is one of the process of the rapid prototyping or additive manufacturing. In this process, a container is taken and filled with a nylon or a polycarbonate powder. A laser is used as a source to heat the powder to form a 3D model, so that the laser is struck to an optic, then it goes to a mirror that is controlled through a computer, so that the mirror points the laser source to a selective point so that it can sinter or melt the powder and make it a solid. When the layer is created, it goes to the bottom and new layer is created. While the layer is going to the bottom, a leveling roller is rolled over it to remove the excess powder in it. So let's discuss the procedure. A cartridge feeding system deposits a thin layer of a heat fusible powder into a workspace container. The layer of powder is heated and carbon dioxide laser traces the cross section and heated to sintering point and bond into a solid mass. A new layer is created and deposited to the bottom, and process repeats. It uses a nylon or a polycarbonate powder which is dangerous to breathe, and also it uses ABS, PVC and metals that are encapsulated in plastics, etc. So this is a short video friends about the selective laser sintering. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. So thank you for watching.